Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back to our channel. This is Made for Locs. I am the CEO of Made for Locs. My name is Tara. Welcome back. I wanted to show you guys something that we added to the website per your request that I don't think many of you know is available. So let's get into it. Our salon size is now available on madeforlocs.com. It is available for Locticians. It's available to you because we know you guys like to use a lot. So you guys have requested this. It was a huge request from our tribe for many years, and we finally did it. So let's get into it. So what we did was we made salon size of our top products. And I'm going to show you real quick what it is. Hold on. Okay, so what does our salon size include? It includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 salon size products, liter and below. Sorry, liter and below knob. So we have our Locs ACV shampoo. This joint is 1 liter. See, it's about 4 of your regular 8 ounce, and our 8 ounce size is like this. So just for comparison, so you can see the difference. Huge. This can last you a long time. If you have a household that is filled with locked people, highly recommend this. It will last you long. We have our Loc Mousse, and this does come with a separate container that you can pour this in. Actually, before I go any further, I highly recommend pouring our liter, our salon sizes, into smaller container. So if you ever purchase from us, just keep your bottles if you know you're gonna opt to buy these, so you can refill them. Especially your oil spray bottles and your aloe spray or your refresher spray bottles, keep them. So this is the aloe. We do send a empty bottle so you can transfer it to this. And again, this is gonna last you a long time. I'm sorry, mousse. And our mousse is used a lot for curls. So if you're doing your curls, so these were braid outs. I had my hair braided in 2, and I used our mousse, and this gives like great definition for your curls, and it lasted super long without the buildup. So highly recommend our mousse. And we have our Locs Oil Spray. So this is a 16 ounce. It normally comes in a 4 ounce. So the 16 ounce is a great and huge update. And again, you can use it from this bottle. However, for many of you, I highly recommend transferring it to the 4 ounce or the 3.4 ounce. Say you save your refresher spray bottles, transfer it there. That way it's just easier for you to spray versus this one tends to be a lot heavier for most of you. So love that for you guys. And then our Locs Aloe Spray is in a 1 liter as well. And oh my gosh, look at all of this goodness. So you can use it from this bottle, but again, it's just a lot heavier doing this versus transferring it. So for all our liter bottles, highly recommend saving your bottles and transferring them so you can just have better use. You can monitor how much you're using. You can see how much you're going through over time. And then last but not least, we have our Locs Gel, which is the best Loc gel on the market, period, point blank. And this is our pomegranate scent. This is a 8 ounce. So normally it comes in a 4 ounce. This is an 8 ounce, double the size. And this lasts a long time. Comes with a lid as well. There you go. Smell the goodness. Smell it. But this is going to last you a long time. So super excited for this collection. Again, our Locticians use this, but our entire tribe uses this, especially if you know you just like using our products. You can just get this to last you 6 months, 4 months, however long it will last you. Every family is different, and based on your use, if you're washing your hair weekly versus bi-weekly, those things are factors in how long it's gonna last, right? But highly recommend these. And if you have any questions about our salon size, drop them below. Definitely come back and answer. And we also have these, all those products that I just showed, in our sample size. So they're this small and they're 1 ounce. These are what we normally give away. So if you receive them, it will be in a white bottle. But these, our staff will have 100% of the time. And so if we ever see anyone in the streets with Locs, we normally just give you one of these. So if you've ever met us in person, you probably received one of these. And these are the 1 ounce size. They're super cute, super great for traveling. So if you are looking, if you have an upcoming trip coming up and you're like, I don't want to miss out on using my products or mess up my routine, highly recommend these. So cute, so affordable. I think the entire bundle for these is like $9 or $12. So good. And we also have the Jamaican collection in the trial size, so you can get those as well. That way when you're traveling, you just have a variety of options to use. So comparing this to this, just for comparison, 1 ounce, 8 ounce, and liter. So just for comparison, this is how it would look. Okay. So excited for you guys to try these, and let me know below if you tried the trial size, the salon size, or you're just at the regular, you're just a normal MFL Tribe member, and you're like, I'm just sticking to the normal size for now, Tara. Let me know below. And again, if you have any questions, ask us below, and I'll be sure someone from our team or myself come back and answer that for you. Have a great day. Bye.